I will be showing you guys how to make arroz con pollo. Why not show you guys a recipe that you could do at your homes, have during your birthdays, that one is super simple to make, 2, affordable, 3, great for sharing, and lastly, most importantly, delicious. Rice with chicken may seem very basic and very humble, but I'm gonna show you that with a couple of simple ingredients, and of course with the help of some spices and condiments, you can turn this basic meal and have your own fiesta at home.
So to start off, you need somewhat of a casserole or a pot. With the temperature to high, put some salt, base pot, put some olive oil, just enough to cover the entire base of the pot. And I'm gonna wait for this to start smoking.
So we're gonna put some chicken to the hot oil, skin side down, and we're gonna leave this to brown.
So the chicken is nice and seared on both sides. So I'm gonna set that first aside. And you'll proceed with cooking the vegetables. In this spot, you will see that there is a lot of fat that rendered out, and you'll see that there are some bits of brown that develop at the bottom of the pot. So that's all the flavor that comes from the chicken, and that's precisely the reason why we started with the first step. I'll add my aromatics, so I have some red onion, the green bell pepper, and the garlic. And while you're cooking all these vegetables, you also want to scrape the bottom of the pot. This will ensure that nothing will burn. So while my aromatic vegetables are slowly cooking down, I have here some long beans, and I'll just simply cut it in half. I also have some snow peas, and this I will add to the pot. And this isn't the type of dish where you want to see a lot of color. You really want to do a good job of browning the vegetables. So once it's acquired somewhat of this color, the beans have slightly turned brown, and you see that the aromatic vegetables have already somewhat caramelized. I'm gonna add my chorizo. So the reason why I put the chorizo now and not at the start is because if I cook it at the beginning, it's gonna become very, very tough. Just want to slightly render out the fat from the chorizo, and we will proceed with adding the rest of our spices. You can see that the fat from the chorizo is slowly rendering out, and the indicator there is that the oil is slightly turning orange. At this point, I'm gonna add my spices. I have some cumin, pimenton, pepper, tomato paste. You can also use canned tomato, or you can even use fresh tomato. I'm using tomato paste because it is something I've had in my pantry for quite some time. Over here, I have some rice that I've been keeping in my storage for quite some time. It's rice that comes from the mountain province. So this is just different mixes of different grain. I pre-washed this. Okay, I didn't soak it, I just washed it, and now I'm adding it into my pot. So now that the rice is coated with oil, I'm gonna add some water. Just a little bit at the beginning to release all those brown bits from the bottom, and then top it off. I want to bring this pot into a boil. Some more salt, and luckily I had some saffron stashed in my pantry, so I'm just gonna add this. The saffron is just gonna add a little bit of aroma, flavor, and of course the color as well to the stock. The amount of liquid I put is proportionate to the amount of rice that I have. For every part of rice, we put 2 parts of water. I'm just gonna wait for this to boil. I'll proceed with the next step. I'm going to leave it to boil like this for 8 to 10 minutes. I will continue cooking it, but this time I'll cook it. Once the rice starts boiling like that, I'll put back my chicken. And at this point, I kind of want to scatter it apart. Like this. The 8 minutes are up, and now I'm gonna place the cover. And I'm gonna continue to cook this for another 10 minutes or so. This time I'm gonna drop the heat to a lower temperature. And all that residue, steam, and liquid from the bottom will just continue to cook the rice.
So it's been 10 minutes, the cooking's done, and as you can see, I left the lid on. And the next step is what's very important, which is resting the rice. This step really allows the rice to absorb the excess moisture that remains in the steam, and it ensures that your rice will be completely cooked.
The 10 minutes are up, so let's now see how our rice is doing. Yep, guys, looks great. Let's check it out. So, you never want to mix the rice while you're cooking. You kind of want to let it set. And if you want to be sure, you kind of just want to dig it a bit. And look, there's no liquid at the bottom. The rice is nice and fluffy. The chicken should be cooked as well. And the best way to test, of course, would be taste it. So I got me a bowl. We're gonna try to get everything. Best part, tasting. So the lemon is always just served on the side. It's up to the person to choose whether or not they want to eat it with or without. Very rich. Get the nice aroma from the paprika and cumin. Nice color from the saffron as well. The chicken's perfectly cooked, and so is the rice. Enjoy.